Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Josue Baldison. I am a software developer, and in this tutorial, I want to show you how to use one Google Maps scraper that I built it. So let's start. So first of all, we have to go to the folder that is located the Google Maps scraper and click of this icon that's called lead scraper to make the Google Maps scraper. We have to make double click and wait to open the application. So this is the application. So first of all, to start to extract the Google Maps listing information, you have to to put the keyword of the business name that you want to extract. For example, auto parts, and in the city box you can put Chicago, for example, and finally click on search, and the application, the software will start to extract all data for the Google Maps listing for these auto parts located in Chicago. We have to wait to complete the process. And it's done. You can export to Excel the data, clicking on this button that called it Export to Excel. You can you can save on the folder as you want. For example, I will save this file to the downloads folder, and I will call this file auto parts databases database. Okay, the the file was exported successfully, and we can see the results of the extraction of all the information of the auto parts listing for Google Maps. Only we have to wait to open the Excel file. One moment, please, to open the Excel file. It's opening the Excel file. Only 1 minute to open, and here we go. This is the information that all the Google My Business profile listing of the parts niche in Chicago. We have the business name, the address of the business, the phone, the rating of the Google My Business profile, the reviews of the Google My Business profile, the website, the email, if have an email. This application um, make a web scraping of the websites that is linked for the Google My Business profile, and extract the main email that the application find on on the website, and have the opening hours, the schedule, and the place ID. So if you want to use this useful application, and you can download the link for download this application will be on this video description below. And for me is all for today. Have a good day. Have a good day and good night or good evening. Best regards.